in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 7 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Flagtown, or near Somerville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing damaging winds across Hunterdon County. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, Sayreville, North Middlesex, Florham Park, Bound Brook, Manville, Chatham, Far Hills, Millstone, Flagtown, and Colonia. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 29 and 43. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 28. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 125 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.